2026 credit repair secrets. You want to make sure you do not miss this one. I have an entire playlist. If you haven't seen it by now, make sure that you are subscribed and you get through these videos, guys, because they're all brand new videos and I am giving you all of the secrets that these other so-called gurus are gatekeeping and what they really do behind the scenes when they say they're going to sweep your credit, fix your credit, and so much more. This guide, I give you everything that you need to know, and it is less than $25 and more than 300 pages of pure game, okay? And who am I to give you this great information? Well, thanks for stopping by. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I have been working on credit for the last 7 years. I fixed my own credit from my own demise in 2017 and 2018 when my credit score was a 484. I always had good credit, so I really didn't know what it was like to not have credit or have bad credit, and it was hard. I paid several companies to help me fix things, and nothing really happened because at the end of the day, I wasn't educated, and you can't just expect to pay a credit repair company to fix your problems. I had no idea half the things that were even important to know, like paying your bills on time, paying your credit cards on time, having to have credit accounts open to show those on-time payments so you start feeding your credit positive information versus just having all these negative things. And I had the wrong mindset about credit. You know, my thing was, hey, when things got hard, I just went south, and that's the wrong way to think, okay? Because there are ways around it. You can make the minimum payments, but a lot of times people think, well, when tough times get tough, I don't have to pay this. Well, you're setting yourself so far back because there are so many ways to make money. You got to get out there. You got to get a job. You got to get some side hustles to yourself. You got to get busy. Nobody's going to make money for you. You got to do it. You got to want to do it. You got to find something that you're passionate about and invest in it. Create content around it, just like I did. I am passionate about credit. I don't make money to make these videos, and that's why I put these guides together so you guys can support my channel and help me fund the video editors and all the help that I get behind the scenes to be able to create these videos, edit the videos, post the videos, the thumbnails, all that stuff, because I want to make sure that you guys are educated. So it's very important. I put the playlist in the link below, and I want you guys to go through the credit repair secrets playlist and watch all of these videos. Get the guide as well because it breaks down all of the different methods that people are using to fix credit. All right, because it's not always a one size fits all, and you may have paid people to do this for you and it hasn't worked, or maybe you're scared to pay somebody. Don't pay anybody. I'll be the first one to tell you, you can do this yourself. You have to invest in yourself. You have to invest a few hours a week into learning. When you're driving, watch some of the videos, okay? When you're multitasking, when you're at work. When I worked at a desk job and drove to work every day, I used to have to drive an hour and a half each way to work. And it was miserable and I hated it. And it was like something that set a fire beyond me. And thank God I don't have to do that anymore. But you have to have those goals and you have to execute on them. And I was so focused on learning. I was listening to, classes and courses at work all day for 8 hours, on my way there, on my way home. I listened to music on Fridays, but I had to. I wanted to get out of there, right? And you have to invest in yourself. You got to learn. Okay, so I became kind of the expert over the last 7 years, and I started helping other people probably in 2019. And I said, people need my help. And that's kind of like when COVID happened. So I was like, oh my God, how am I going to help people? Come to find out, I started creating content, which nobody's good at when they first start. Oh God, I can remember when I first started to record a YouTube video, and my first YouTube video was horrible. horrible. People made fun of it and it was mean, but I just kept going, you know, because you're going to have those people that support you and you're going to have those people that just are not for you, and that's fine. But find your supporters, build your income. TikTok is a great income source. So is, you know, Instagram and Facebook. But my favorite platform out of everything is YouTube, because you can monetize it. Your videos are forever. You know, I still have people watching some of the first videos that I put out. So nonetheless, I am here to guide you guys. I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here to provide all the mistakes that I made so you don't have to, because I give you the information that you need to know, not what you want to hear. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything for you. I'm going to give you the real deal answer, because there's so many people out here that are giving misinformation, and I try not to be negative about it, but at the same time, it's like, come on. There's a guy on TikTok and he's been exposing a lot of these people and calling them cap. I think they call them like credit repair cap or something like that, but he's spot on, because a lot of these people that you see on TikTok and Instagram with these videos and with these, I guess, carousel slides that give all these law codes and tell you that they're for this, that, and the other. When is the last time one of their clients actually used that and got the results? You have to ask yourself sometimes, if something sounds too good to be true, and if this really works, why isn't it working for everybody? You know, why doesn't everyone just have perfect credit if that's the case, if it's so easy and all you have to do is just put this law in to correct the late payment? Oh, if it were that easy, then we would all have good credit, but apparently that's not the case, right? So you take everything with a grain of salt, you do your own research, and you're welcome to try some of those things out. Let me know if they work for you. But at the end of the day, it's all about your mindset moving forward. The past is the past. It's going to be in the past. You may or may not be able to get your past deleted, right? Moving forward, we're going to make the best decisions possible. We're going to focus on quality credit. We're going to focus on quality trade lines on our credit report. We're not focused on crappy credit builders. We are focused on building relationships that we can strategically get funding from in the future, whether that's high limit credit cards, loans, business credit, so on and so forth. So I help all of my clients. I don't charge a funding fee. I don't agree with it. I give you guys a lot of funding information inside of the credit community as well, and that's a low monthly subscription. The guide that we're going over in these videos, it's just a one-time payment, and it's not even $25. All right, so please support the channel, buy it, because that helps us pay for our video editors and for me to be able to put more informational videos out there that's truly going to help you guys depending on what your situation is, because not every situation is going to fit, right? But this is what people are doing to fix credit. Someone is making promises to you that seem too good to be true. You need to ask yourself, is this something that I want any part of? Because the only way that people are getting accounts removed so quickly is because they are claiming identity theft, or they are claiming that they have been victims of trafficking, human trafficking, because either one of those cases would qualify for something to be deleted within 4 business days from your credit report. And normally it's not fast at all. It's a very slow process. The credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate. It can take up to 45 days, right? So in this guide, I give you everything that people are using. Apply what is best to your situation. You might just have to pay things, okay? And that's okay to do. Don't feel bad about that. Feel good about that, because you're going to be able to settle for a lot less than what they say you owe. It's going to be done and over with. They can't ever come back after you for it. All right. So, and that way it'll make you respect the process a lot more. When it hits you in the pocketbook, you will respect the process a whole lot more, my friends. Okay. Because I have so many people that come back to me for credit repair after they have messed up. And I'm like, I can't help you. It's getting harder and harder to run from these credit cards. So we have to have the right intentions when we're getting credit, that we have to pay it back. This is non-negotiable. This is not our money. We are borrowing this money. We are leveraging this data on our credit reports to be able to allow us to properly leverage credit to buy buy assets like homes, properties, vehicles, things that are going to be useful and make us money. Okay, so be smart about everything that you do. Think about it, take your time and research it, and then make the educated decision. But don't ever make any decisions on the spot that are going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, if someone says it's going to cost you $5,000 for them to fix your credit, that is a huge red flag. If someone is promising you results in a certain time frame, that is a huge red flag. Okay, credit repair does take time, and I recommend that you do it yourself. Inside the community, I guide everyone. I can help them with dispute letters. I can help them with the process, but ultimately you're the one that has to take action and understand what's going on, what you're doing, how to properly move forward, how to properly build credit moving forward, what accounts to get versus not get, and what I should be doing right now. Okay, that's the biggest thing. What should I be doing right now to improve my future based on my goals? Okay, and what are your goals? Do you have those written down? Do you have a time frame in which you're going to accomplish those by? And what are things that you would need under each of those goals to do to achieve that goal? Because there's usually steps. Okay, so get all that written out. It's going to feel a lot better, but write it down or put it into your iPad or phone or however you do electronically, and make those real actionable steps to help you achieve your goal by the due date. Okay, if it's by the end of the year, so be it, right? But what are you going to do each month to get to month 12? All right, I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around and listening to me ramble about credit, but I appreciate you guys. Check in below. Let me know if you want to get the guide. I'll send you the exclusive link. And if you want the credit kit, comment kit, and I will send you my free credit kit, which has a ton of value in it, and share with others. Make sure you share the channel, guys. Share, like, subscribe, check in below, say hi, let me know you're here, let me know that you've watched the series, please, guys, because I depend on your support to grow my channel, and I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you next time. Take care.